Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ClickBank refund rules for safe affiliate marketing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify ClickBank refund rules for safe affiliate marketing, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Marketplace section in the main dashboard. Once in the Marketplace, search for the specific product you wish to promote. Click on the product name to open its detailed page. Look for the Refund Policy section, typically found in the product description. Read through the refund policy carefully to understand the terms. Ensure the information is up to date, as refund policies can change. If the refund policy is unclear, contact the vendor directly through ClickBank. Inquire about any specific conditions or timeframes associated with refunds. Next, check the product's affiliate resources section for additional guidelines. Some vendors provide unique promotional materials that may outline their refund policies. Keep records of all communication regarding refund inquiries. This can help protect you in case of disputes with customers later on. Be sure to comply with ClickBank's general refund policy as well. Familiarize yourself with ClickBank's support resources for any additional questions. Stay updated on any policy changes by regularly checking ClickBank's official site. This will help you maintain a safe and compliant affiliate marketing strategy. Always prioritize transparency with your customers regarding refund terms. Educating yourself on these rules can enhance your credibility as an affiliate marketer. Maintain a good relationship with the product vendors you promote. This can lead to better insights and support regarding their refund policies. By following these steps, you will confidently navigate ClickBank's refund rules. This ensures a safer affiliate marketing experience for you and your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.